MoeTheDriver.
I have a little something here that I want to show you. I have been working on the truck, but have been missing things, little pieces and parts and things that I need that I didn't have. So let me show you what I have today. If I could just open this thing like a human. Show you what I got here. Straight from Real Street. Yay, bearings. Those are cool. We have bearings. I mean, that doesn't really sound like a cool thing, but we have here is race bearings, sets of race bearings. See that? Now we're off and running. Now these are basically Clevite 77 race bearings, but they are the HX bearings, which are have a little bit more clearance. So we have that, and we have the thrust washers here, and then we have forgot what bearing this is, but there's another bearing, the other bearings. So here we go, and we have all the bearings for the 2J, because we're putting it together now, and we figured out that we needed new bearings. So we have all the new bearings there, and now we get to slap the engine together, my friends. We are ready. So, but check this out. The truck is actually down at the shop right now. Put that new 9-inch in there, and we're actually kind of doing that backwards. We're doing that. We're going to do drive shaft, and then we're actually going to take it to another shop where we're going to tear the truck completely down, take the body off, build the cage, engine, transmission, all that stuff will go in, and we'll put it all back together and start it up, see what we get, and get off and rolling. So right now, that's all I have, but I mean, we're getting there, folks. We're getting there. So give me a couple more months, and we'll be rolling. We'll be rolling, smoking, like really going. A couple more months. Hold on to it.